Bring out the big jacket today.
Exactly. That warm one is going to make you feel so much better, as we do have frost advisories in effect until 9 o'clock this morning for all the areas here shaded in the blue coloring. We're also going to monitor these temperatures, and slowly they'll go up, but still staying below average as we go into the afternoon. So today is going to be pretty much reminiscent of yesterday by the afternoon. Yesterday we didn't have that frost advisory. These temperatures this morning in the 30s. We can see that pretty much across the board here. Just that one lone 40 around Highland Beach. And then as we head over towards the eastern shore, a few more 40s coming in. 41 degrees right now in Betterton, 42 in Oxford, St. Michael's. That's exactly where we should be for this time of the year. But the majority definitely in the 30s this morning. The satellite and radar not picking up on a whole lot right now. We're under a mainly clear sky, and this is what it looks like as we go through the rest of today. You can see those thicker clouds back off down off to the south and west. That's all courtesy of the remnants of Willa. So that'll continue to work in our direction as we head into tomorrow. So we will thicken up the clouds as we head into tomorrow morning, but we'll also get some clouds in here as the day goes on, but mixing with that sunshine. So the remnants of Willa will come in here. We'll have a coastal low that moves in as we head into your Friday afternoon. So that's when we'll start to overspread that rain. So it will start out light at first, but as we head more towards the evening time frame, that's when things will start to get a little bit more heavy, and then that will be the scenario as we go into your Saturday morning as well. And then things will start to dry out a bit more, especially as we head into your Sunday. So it looks like we'll have some dry time on Sunday before another system works its way back in here as we head into the beginning of the week. Now, this is what we know with this coastal storm. We will have cold rain and wind, those winds gusting up to about 30 to 50 miles an hour. Coastal flooding is also possible. Right now, still that track uncertain, but the amount of rain that we're thinking at this point, 1 to 3 inches. Today's planner looks like this. It will be cool with a mix of sun and clouds. Once again, that frosty start this afternoon, cool with that high temperature coming in right around 55 degrees. That 55 is below the average of 64. I'll have that 70 forecast coming up, but right now let's go to check the traffic with Lauren.
Thank you, Lynette. If you're taking 95,